What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SDC ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that drives the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis and what should you expect from the price action. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that we have to have a retracement, and this retracement should be not lower than $5.42 level, because in this case we will break the previous bottom of the wave, and this means we invalidated the entire count, and we broke it. And for now we have two possibilities. First of all, we have failed wave. And we also have a failed retracement, because with this movement to the upside, with this volume, we have a second possibility to hit this, as you can see, we hit already this upper resistance, and we might go even higher to hit our major targets. And in this case, if we will exceed this level, we will have either the failed wave of retracement, or my entire count right here was incorrect, and I made a breakdown according to Elliott wave theory with some kind of mistakes, and that's why we can have basically new analysis from scratch, and I will show you my thoughts in just several minutes right after the fundamentals of this company. So let's start with the company profile. SmileDirectClub operates as an oral care company. It offers clear aligner therapy treatment. The company manages the end-to-end process, which include marketing, aligning manufacturing, fulfillment, treatment by a doctor, and monitoring. And they operate in the United States, Puerto Rico, Canada, Australia, United Kingdom, New Zealand, Ireland, Hong Kong, Germany, Singapore, Spain, and Australia. So I think this company is quite interesting, and I don't know much about this technology, but still we have decent numbers, and let me show you. For now, its total market cap is $1.97 billion. They have a revenue of $726.7 million with a negative net income of $68.11 million. They have a revenue growth of 6.77%. It is not so high, but still it is a growth. And they have a total cash position of $376.75 million with a total debt of $777.49 million. So they have decent numbers. It is not the best, but we have to keep in mind that it is not the company that is operating on this market for the decades. It is just a new company that was founded in 2014. Basically, it operates a little bit more than 6 years. So let's continue with the latest news, and we are on Seeking Alpha, and this article was published on October the 6th, and it's titled SmileDirectClub showing short squeeze characteristics as Reddit interest ramps up. And let me quote you these bullets. SmileDirectClub plus 5% is back above $6 per share, and the dynamics of a squeeze are in play, according to discussion on the Hammerstone Markets platform. Shares have short interest of around 36% and are becoming more expensive to borrow, and call options are leading puts at a ratio of 8-to-1. One user of Hammerstone notes that shares are hard to short, with the options volatility implying a rate to borrow near 35%, and one broker quoting a rate of 75% earlier. And let me show you that right here we have the short interest, and we have a short borrow fee rate of 92.14% according to fintel.io. And let's continue. The stock's rise is attracting the interest of bulls on the Wall Street Bets subreddit, with a post about SDC racing to the top of the engagement metrics tracked by keyword quantitative. They can't short it at that cost to borrow rate. One user writes, "It will be death." SmileDirectClub is down 38% since its peak in June. Seeking Alpha's quant rating is very bearish on SDC, but Wall Street analysts are neutral. And let me show you that we have one more latest catalyst, and this article was published on October the 5th, and it's titled SmileDirectClub says USPTO will issue patent for company's Smile Bus concept. And let me quote you this. SmileDirectClub announces that the United States Patent and Trademark Office will issue a patent on the company's innovative Smile Bus concept. The patent will further strengthen protection for SmileDirectClub's intellectual property as one of the methods for bringing premium, affordable, accessible oral care to more people through its telehealth platform. Shares up nearly 3% pre-market. So, on October the 5th we have this news, and definitely this news has a very good impact on the price. As you can see, with this red candle on October the 4th we were at the level of about $5.07. We closed it about this level, and next day we have this massive surge in price and in volume, and we hit exactly to the tick the upper resistance that I drew previously. So let me show you the sentiment around the stock tweets community, and we are on watchers section, and we have SDC ticker on the 6th place with a number of mentions of about 789, and on KiwiCon.com we have SDC on the 2nd place right after SPY ticker, and it has the total number of mentions of 410. So I think right after this news of patent issuance we have a very good momentum from retail investors, and that's why you have to keep in mind that this movement might be rather short. And let me show you the TipRanks forecast. We have 11 ratings, and one of them suggests to buy, 7 to hold, and 3 to sell. It is not the most bullish rating that I've seen, but still we have the lowest price point of about $4. Average price point is 7.4, and the high level is about $11. And let me show you that right here on finviz.com we have the short float of 32.9%. This means we still have a possibility to squeeze this stock even higher, and we have from October the 1st Credit Suisse reiterate its rating to outperform, and they have previously also outperformed rating with the price target of $11. And let me show you that among the institutional owners we have Credit Suisse right here, and let me show it to you. And they have a position of $573,000 in this company with the average price of 9.49, and this means potentially their target price is $11 because they have to have some profits with their position, and that's why they have $11 as a projection. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, I don't think that we might have this as our main account, and I don't need these tools as well. Just let's be conservative and let's measure the movement from the very bottom to the very top, because if you don't know what type of breakdown you have, it's quite obvious to measure the entire movement from swing low to swing high. On top of that, all of the robots, all of the algorithms make the same measurement from the swing low to swing high. And what do we have here? We have very good reaction from 0.786 level, and from this point, as you can see, we went higher, and basically I don't need these two support and resistance lines as well. So we hit this upper resistance, and from this point we have two possibilities. First of all, with the good volume we might have a breakdown above this resistance, and if we will retest it from the top and with the good volume as well, and with the support from Wall Street Bets community and retail investors, we will go higher. We will definitely hit the level of 9.31. It is the previous swing high, but first of all we have to break this top of $7.37, maybe a little bit higher, and this means that from this point we might have about 39% to this target. And I have to say that the second possibility is that we might have a rejection from this level, and let me do it a little bit longer. We might have a rejection, and with the second attempt we also might have a breakout, but we have to be cautious, because if we will have a rejection we will have less probability to break this resistance, and the lower the price goes, the lower probability of breaking out this resistance we will have. So that's why you have to be cautious, but still we have decent possibility with the latest data, with the support of Wall Street Bets community and retail investors to break this resistance. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with the notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!